Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me. My name is Dr. Sandra Colton-Medici, and this is the College of Style YouTube channel. First, I just want to ask you a simple ask: subscribe to the channel. Take a moment to subscribe to the channel, hit the bell so that you get the notifications for brand new videos, and drop down in the description and snag your freebie. I'm so excited about today's video because it is short and sweet, so let's get right to it. I wanted to share with you one of the engagement strategies that I've been using recently, and that is on Pinterest. So you may not have a Pinterest profile, but I highly suggest that you get into it. One of the things that I've been doing is using the above the profile fold. It's a block that you can put a static image or a video. And what I've been using it as is an engagement tool. I've been switching it out every single day in the last 2 weeks of January and using it as kind of like a Google Doodle. You know, every single day on Google, they have a new doodle and it signifies some sort of historical event or a person or some sort of holiday they're commemorating at the time, right? So for me, I'm using it as what I've been dubbing my Pinterest doodle. And that is utilizing it to bring more people to my page every single day. And so you can do this too. You can use a static image or you can switch it up with a video. I like video because every single time people switch from my shop to the pins that I've created to the pins that I've saved, it re-ups the Pinterest doodle that I have created for that day. Now, I don't think that Pinterest calls it a Pinterest doodle, so that's my disclaimer, FYI. It's just what I've dubbed it because it makes sense to me. But I think that it is an interesting way to engage with people who are following you on Pinterest, or to grab people's attention who happen to land on your page through some sort of quirky journey that they're on Pinterest. So what you can do, it's 16 by 9, and I believe it has to be at least 4 seconds if it's a video. So the easy way to create content for this is I'm taking my Instagram content that is video, because I've been posting a video doodle every single day on Pinterest, and I'm taking that content and I'm just resizing it. I have Canva Pro. Down in the description, you'll see a link. It's an affiliate link for Canva if you'd like to get your own Canva account. I'm also a Canva creator, so I'm highly recommending Canva. What you can do is you can take your Instagram, let's say static post, or your Instagram video that you've put into your post for the day, and you can resize it into that 16 by 9 and then pull it over into your Pinterest doodle every single day, to have people who may not even follow you on Instagram now follow you on Pinterest because you're showing them something new every single day. And I haven't just posted a video that does nothing. I've posted the speaker call for our upcoming style symposium. I've posted the online giveaway, and I've let them know it's happening on Instagram, where it says enter on Instagram on the video. I've posted different content where it shows, you know, a quote that is really inspirational. So it's not always calls to action that are asking people to go anywhere other than they are on Pinterest, but it's definitely visual. And the visual short video stimulation that people are getting these days, the short form video marketing, is really essential that you are on the cusp. For me, engagement is king and queen these days as much as content creation, and having people find you in new and different ways is great. So this is my one engagement strategy that I've been doing just as far as the last 2 weeks of January, and I think that you should try it too. Tell me how you like it. Is it daunting to do it every day? I created all of these different videos out of past content from Instagram. So it wasn't really hard for me to just literally resize everything and then save it to a folder and then just drag and drop it into Pinterest every single day because I'm already on Pinterest anyways. If you decide to try this out, I want to know in the comments. Drop in the comments and say Pinterest doodle. I want to know if you've tried it and how you like it. And finally, make sure to subscribe to this channel and like this video if it was helpful. Share it with a friend, colleague, or family member. And if you'd like to follow me on Pinterest, you can follow me at pinterest.com/College of Style. I'll see you on the next one.